Good morning. I am Brother Moses Bestman with your Did It Home Bible reading for June 13, 2026 from the book of 1 Peter chapter 5, verse 7 through 11, where Peter, the title of the lesson is Faithful Planning. Peter wants us to faithfully plan by extending an invitation that we cast our cares upon Jesus because he cares in verse 7. Peter is letting us know that casting our burden on Jesus require it has to be intentional. It has to be a decisive decision with an act of faith, because failure to cast our burden on Jesus can lead to the devil to come in. But then he also encouraged the believer that regardless of what goes on, how busy is the devil, Jesus will give her, God will give her the strength, the ability, the spirit to be able to resist the devil. So brothers and sisters, I'm here to encourage you to continue, no matter how things goes on in your life, no matter how issues that is going on, to continue to cast that on Jesus, because failure to do that can cause the devil, running like a lions to try to find whom to devour. So let us cast our burden on Jesus. Let continue to do that, because Jesus, he cared about. May God bless his reading in Jesus' mighty name. Amen.